What we have behind us is Engine 1. It's actually old Engine 1. It was in service on April 19, 1995 at Fire Station 1. The personnel on Engine 1 were the first to arrive. When we took it out of service, we knew it was something that we needed special, so we wanted to make sure we kept that in service, and we were able to put it back and make sure that we keep it in a good condition. We actually use it for our fallen firefighters. You don't ever want to forget, but you want to move forward, and you want to try to learn from that experience. How do we grow? How do we get better as a human race?
It's hard for me to step away from what I saw that morning. Fifth Street and the rubble of the building and the survivor tree, the way it was and all that.
As a young officer, I couldn't even imagine being able to drive down that street again, or building a new building, or I couldn't imagine moving forward at all. I thought this would cripple us, and I was proven wrong.
The museum is set up in such a way that people can learn and not forget, especially people that weren't even around back then. So I think the highlight is that it's a meaningful story to tell, and that we do it very well here.